Left to right. 14 divided by 2. Left to right. Left to right. 49 divided by 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 0 is the correct answer. राइट योर करेक्ट आंसर इन कमेंट। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।